In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find blog post topics using Semrush. Semrush is an incredibly powerful tool that can provide you with data-driven insights to grow your business and help fuel your content strategy. If you've ever found yourself staring at a blank screen, unsure of what to write about next, then this guide is just what you need. Let's dive into a step-by-step process that will unlock a world of content ideas using Semrush. First things first. Head over to the Semrush website. It's a comprehensive suite of tools for digital marketers, offering everything from SEO and PPC to social media tracking and content marketing tools. If you're not familiar with Semrush, don't worry. It's quite user-friendly once you get the hang of it. Once on the homepage, you'll want to log into your account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it before proceeding. Make sure you have your login credentials ready and simply click on the Login button located conveniently at the top of the screen. After you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Semrush home dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Navigate to the SEO section. This is a focal point for many marketers looking to optimize their search engine strategy. Once you're there, click on Content Ideas. This option will direct you to another valuable feature of Semrush, the Topic Research tool. Now you're in business. Click on Topic Research. This tool is designed to generate content ideas based on the topics your audience is most interested in. It's essentially like having a brainstorming partner that never runs out of ideas. In this section, you'll be prompted to enter your seed keyword. The seed keyword functions as the core idea or subject you're looking to build content around. Think carefully about your seed keyword. It should be relevant to your audience and aligned with your content or business goals. Type it into the search bar and let Semrush do its magic. The tool will analyze data and throw back a plethora of suggested topics, headlines, and even frequently asked questions related to your seed keyword. This process not only saves you time, but also empowers you to create content that is both relevant and engaging for your audience, increasing the chances of your blog's success in reaching more readers. With Semrush's Topic Research tool, gone are the days of struggling to come up with fresh content ideas. Instead, you're armed with a strategy driven by data-backed insights that reflect current trends and interests. So there you have it. You're now equipped to harness the full potential of Semrush to consistently generate blog post topics that will captivate your audience and align with your marketing strategy. Have fun exploring and get ready to take your writing game to new heights.